School spirit, mother lover.
In the speed.
Hofstra step, UMass step, BC step, BU step. Graduates walk, scholars talk, but I ain't paying nobody for someone else's thoughts. Northeastern step, Wellesley step, my Holyoke step, St. Anselm step. Graduates walk, scholars talk, but I ain't paying nobody for someone else's thoughts. Now I'ma get this B, mama. I'ma put it down. I'ma be on honors, mama. Show as my rap name is Styles. Now I'm not the one to come to for knowledge and advice. I got no degree, dog, and dropped out of college twice. All my life I just wanted to go to BC, and Papa always told me that tuition isn't free. I wanted to be an Eagle cause of Flutie specifically, but didn't apply cause they wouldn't even waitlisted me. I scored like 1200 on my SATs, and they said I was quite a writer from how my essays read. But Syracuse said my GPA wasn't proper, so I ended up playing it safe and just went to Hofstra. I rolled my Volvo on campus, no gas in the tank. 2000 and freshman was my class and my rank. This was 9-6, I'm talking about the time of my life. Ride around with tribers dropping beats, rhymes, and life. But when it came to going to class, I was on the fence, cause like the love movement, there wasn't no consequence. I spent my midnights marauding all over Strong Island, developing my rhyming, realizing I had some talent. But sports casting and rap made for a tough balance, and in the end your friend Styles wasn't up for the challenge. The next chapter of my college career was a fast one. I only spent a couple semesters up at MassCom. Now we talking about early 99, right around the time Eminem started to shine. That was when I met Edo and started going to shows. A good 2 years before I dropped Smoke Them Bowls. I planned on finishing, but in the end I said forget it, kid, cause at the time the little school wasn't even accredited. Hofstra step, UMass step, BC step, BU step. Graduates walk, scholars talk, but I ain't paying nobody for someone else's thoughts. Northeastern step, Wellesley step, Mount Holyoke step, St. Anselm step. Graduates walk, scholars talk, but I ain't paying nobody for someone else's thoughts. Now Hofstra step, UMass step, BC step, BU step. Graduates walk, scholars talk, but I ain't paying nobody for someone else's thoughts. Now